Missed calls.
We now know that days before Matlala's tender was cancelled and he was arrested with being linked to an assassination, Bheki cele tried to call him desperately. More than 10 calls on a single day from morning until night. Now, the sting for Cele comes with his proximity to Matlala. Cele has refused to explain his relationship with Matlala, beyond that they know one another and they've met several times. He said he wouldn't explain this to us, but only to the Judicial Commission of Inquiry that will hear allegations of police capture.
Former Minister of South African Police calls a well-known unaliver gang leader, kingpin, thief of the whole country 10 times before he's arrested. Hey, South Africa. Hey, yo, I don't know. We live in a mafia state. What is happening? And Ramaphosa is going to conduct another commission of inquiry. And Rena, as the South African, good shot, good idea. Can it? Yo, can't they? And Ramaphosa Lena, check this out.
If ever there is someone who is changing, it's a human being. A human being. A human being changes. If ever there is someone who is changing, it's a human being.
At the end of the day, we need to remember who Bheki cele, just like Mkhunu, ne? So the former police minister and the current police minister both told us this. We must not forget Pella. No short memories, ne? They both told us this.
Former Police Minister Bheki cele is neither friends nor is he business partners with controversial tender don Vusimuzi Cat Matlala. Now that's Bheki cele's version, but the information at our disposal tells a completely different story. News 24 was the first to reveal several months ago that Bheki cele enjoyed the luxury penthouse apartment of Vusimuzi Cat Matlala on no less than 2 occasions. And he took these luxury hotel stays after he left public office, but it was likely paid for by a tender that was adjudicated while he was there. In June last year, Vusimuzi Cat Matlala, through a minnow company, managed to score a 360 million rand SAPS Health and Risk Services tender, which made him a very wealthy man. When KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi made damning claims of capture and infiltration of the uppermost ranks of the police and the political circles of the ministry by underworld figures and drug cartels, Vusimuzi Matlala's name was central.